Yeah, ukuthi abantu labaningi bane mindset ukuthi bayathakathiwa vele. Kanti uma uhlala uhlola ulandzela umoya or ulandzela sipoko sakho whatsoever lo sebenta ngayo. Itokutshela umuntu before ati ahlala athi utingani akutshela lo utohlola and lo ungumuntu lo thanda tinfo letiso.
Yeah.
And most yabantu vele babelivele ekuthini impilo yabo istakile because bathakathwa. Bakhohlwe ukuthi kunama spirits esihamba swa adopt emhlabeni mangaphana siphila. Kunetindzawo esingena kudo engamele ngabe singena kudo. Kunebantu esiphile nabo maybe in our past bebephethe tinfo etitsite tagcina tinamathelekithi letinfo letitangasuswa yabona. Uthola ukuthi awuthakathwanga. Inkinga nje ukuthi ekhaya waphahlela dlodele wrong. Uthola ukuthi ukhulela ngaphasi kwesibongo engamele ngabe ukhulile ngaphasi kwaso. Bese uthini mina ngithakathiwe.
Ladies and gents, boys and girls, give it up for the one and only Dr. Mavula Mjeriko. Yabona sesi-upgrade asisenzi upopopopo ngesangi ngomlomo sesi ipathini technology yaphila kodwa mkhulu
Ngiyaphila mkhulu njani Nkosi yami.
no ngiyaphila. Good to have you again. As there's one thing engidiscoverile, especially with the viewers lapha ku social media. You know bafuna izinto ezinga understandeki man. Sometimes ngizama understand ukuthi what are these people looking for? What normally do you get like kuma comment kuma DMs or kuma comment section from your pages?
Mina lengakusho ukuthi abantu bacakekile. Abantu bayahlupheka la ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Kuningi losokunakela empilweni tabantu lokusafuna kulungisiwa.
Yes.
And nathi thina abantu bakamoya khona la sente khona kahle, khona futhi nala sente khona kambi.
Ku plan enze khona kumbi.
Siyabafihlela abantu amaqiniso.
Yeah.
Umuntu umtshele iqiniso njengoba linjalo. Abone yena ukuthi umisa njani ngeqiniso.
Yeah. Ngiliphi iqiniso lemafihlela lona kaningi?
Asithi ucoca umuntu akutshela ukuthi mina ngithakathiwe.
Yeah.
Tinfo tami atilungi akiye kuphambili but uma uthi uya-check wena ukuthi lo muntu akathakathiwe uye inkinga yokungaphumeleli kwakhe because netinfo leti bantu abatentako etigcina sethi bashaya futhi nabo empilweni. Angeke uhambe uye kaGobela uyofika ukuthi ufuna usido uGobela lale nawe and expect ukuthi at the end of the day your things will be fine. Sama ritualist abanye ba ama spiritualist. Kunebantu abangakhuphula ama rituals wabo ngawo. Angeke umuntu uye kuye uthi uyofuna lisido. Umuntu afika athi in order for ukuthi ushade kahle nomkhuyane wakho lala nami kucala. Emanga lawo. Akusin for the right. Angeke uhambe uyothwasa uvula indumba ingasebenzi indumba at the end of the day. Ubese uthi uthakathwa abasekhaya or uboshwa abasekhaya but wakhona ukuthi ugibele empedeni ngaGobela ubese uyalala naye. I understand ukuthi enemiphi imimoya or yena uphila ngaphasi kwaluphi usiko. Those are the things esiyihayidela abantu ofithi abantu babhekene natho la ngaphandle ofithi tinfo engamele ngabe tiyenteka leto. Kunabantu abangathakathiwe but abayithakathe bona. Si overuse umuthi nala kungasafanele khona. Siphinde sithathe imimoya engamngeleke emadlotini wethu singabheki futhi ukuthi amadloti ayabantu laba kanjani.
Mara mkhulu sometimes yazi ngifuna ukubuzana before singene endabeni yethu ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi how do you separate feelings and nenkanuko, like feelings and being a umsebenzi wakho ukuthi uyisangoma, how do you separate that?
Thathukusa nedloti elingqolile ulikhiphele ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Usithi abantu baphile because abantu suke befikele impilo hayi ukujabulisa imizwa. Angeke uthathe umuntu umlaphe at the end of the day sekuyipartner yakho. Angeke uthathe umntwana umthwasisi at the end of the day usubona umfati. How come? Because labantu kusamele baphinde bagucele lidlodi lakho kusamele liphinde liphakamise imoya yakho nemoya yakimi. So if wena uba involved sexually nalowo muntu liphi idlodi elitophakama kuye because wena usuyigraduate yena safana ukuthi kusayi student. When kunama rituals that you are performing that gives you money, kunama rituals that you are performing la kuphakamisa ke empilweni. So if yena as a spiritualist uyamthatha umfaka kuwe as a ritualist and lo muntu kusakumela kugucele yini leto hamba besiyalunga empilweni yakhe. I always say one thing.
Yeah.
Alikho ithwasela lala noGobela namohleli nendumba le right eperforma kahle but alilanza ngamandla extra. Akunadloti lahlala lapho.
So uGobela makalala nalamathosana kusuke kwenzakalani, kusuke kungasenadlozi in between,
suke kuukusa suke ngasenadloti in between. Alikho idloti elithi Gobela lala nethwasa ukuthi ithwasa lithole in amanga lawo. emanga la it's simply because abantu suke be desperate.
Yeah.
Can you imagine umfana wabantu efike kuwe ecakekile wena sumbhizi umphonsa ngamaqansi yabona instead of ukuthi umnike 10 minutes le right umfana umkhuphule. Nasethi ke senilalile nahlanganisa imoya yakho wena inenzawo yayo la esuke ibekwa khona. And they don't even notice ukuthi after doing all those things ithathwa letinsila tisiwe kuphi. Yes, there are many rituals akhona ukuperformiwa ngetinsila tebantu etiphuma sexually. Senilalene ke at the end of the day ngiba notophakama nguwe or nguye ugobela.
Gobela.
Exactly.
Ayisho wena vela wazi next.
Yes, abantu bafihlela iqiniso. That's the main key. Abantu bafihlela iqiniso. Lokubi kubi lokuhle kuhle. Masithakatha siyathakatha, masilapha siyalapha.
Sure. Yazi abantu abaningi babe ma victim, especially actually the males and the females. There's someone that they know umuntu wesilisa wayokthwasa somewhere and then wagcina sekathandana nalogobela. Manje sebahlala bonke. So yazibuza ukuthi lapho like Fedez Khiphani wazwayeke nomfazi wakhe like ukuhlala nalogobela.
Okay, if bekalanzwe idlodi, why ngamlanzanga idlodi before athwasa? Likhombe na before afike kuwe. Why litokukhomba ukuthi nguyilo wakho sikala kuwe somdlese etempanzi takho? Why ngamlanzanga isale engangafika uthathwase bese uyakhomba ukuthi no lo ngwami. Those are the things abantu lababhekene nathola ngaphandle. Kunebantu abativale bona empilweni, nabantu abatibulele bona empilweni bese bekhomba abanye abantu simply because abafollowanga ama procedures ekumele ngabe bafollow.
Yo. Hey, it's very tough, yes.
Yeah,
it's very tough.
It's tough. It's tough. And since siphila kulomhlaba lesiphila ku.
Yeah.
Because phela ngeke siphike kulomhlaba lesiphila ku. Umuntu uphiliswa tinqumo takhe. Hence I said kunema ritualist kunema spiritualist.
Yeah.
Lapho futhi angichange. Kunebantu abanosika abaphila ngalo okuwuleli baphilisako nenfo abasuke becommunicate nabo. Kunebantu abakhulekako emimoyeni eclean lesuke baphilisa. So wena usafuna ukuphakamisa imoya le clean. But at the end of the day uyaphinza futhi uyotiphosa ngapha kuma rituals. That's why nabantu be confused. That na uqina sokuthuka, bawusa understand nomuntu uyinyanga noma umuntu uyisangoma. Naye akasa understand. Usumthola kuloko kobungoma, uthola kuloko kobunyanga sebalancisa both of which lokhana akusini for le ngale ngabe yenteka leyo futhi.
So abantu abaningi navane beza kuwe mhlawumbe bazoconsulta vane bafuna ukuzwa ini because like there is that ideology ukuthi umuntu makayisangomeni ufuna ukuzwa ukuthi vele lo uyangithakatha. You know, there is that notion ukuthi ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi lo uyangithakatha and only to find out ukuthi wena you don't even pick that one up.
Yeah, ukuthi bantu labaningi bane mindset ukuthi bayathakathiwa vele. Kanti uma uhlala uhlola ulandzela umoya or ulandzela sipoko sakho whatsoever lo sebenta ngayo. Itokutshela umuntu before athi ahlala thuthengana akutshela lo utohlola and lo ungumuntu lo thanda tinfo letiso.
Yeah.
And most yabantu vele babelivele ekuthenini impilo yabo istakile because bathakathwa. Bakhohlwe ukuthi kunama spirits esihamba swa adopt emhlabeni mangaphana siphila. Kunetinzawo esingena kudo engamele ngabe singena kudo. Kunebantu esiphile nabo maybe in our past bebephethe tinfo etitside dagcina tinamathelekithi letinfo letitangasuswa yabona. Uthola ukuthi awuthakathwa inkinga nje ukuthi ekhaya waphahlela dlodile le wrong. Uthola ukuthi ukhulela ngaphasi kwesibongo engamele ngabe ukhulile ngaphasi kwaso. Bese uthini mina ngithakathiwe.
Kuyaba nomthelela lokho?
Yes, kuyaba nomthelela kakhulu. Phela umuntu ukhuliswa tibongo leti4.
Okay.
There are 4 powerful people empilweni yomuntu.
All right, which one?
That's why isuke kumele wathi ukuthi uphethwe ubani emsebentini wakho wedlodo whatsoever lo yentawo. Kunabantu basekhaya bobabe. Nabantu basekhaya bomake. Bese kube nomuntu otala umake kama kwakho notala ubabe kababa wakho. Those are the people ekumele bathathu bafake la ekhanda. If ukuthi awadweni ukuthi uma kwakho utalwa ubani, you will have a problem because you need labo bantu lapho. Kumele balance 2 from your mother's side, 2 from your father's side.
So if like let's say I don't know my parents, I was adopted, would you able to tell me who was my mother and all of that?
Hamba uthola umuntu lo femba ko umuntu lo netipoko akutshele your background, akutshele ukuthi wena ubani. Because inkingi lenkulu sigcina sesiphahlela amadlodi asiphucako kunamadlodi lasiphako. Amadlodi awanile. Ungahlaba 10 cows, uhlabe 10 wetimbuti. When the yonke info at the end of the day kuthi umsebenzi uhambe kahle, kuwe imoto kuwe kuphela ibusiness. Today kunabantu abasafarishayo because bahlabela imsamo engamele ngabe bayihlabela.
Yeah.
angeke uthi wena ingadi yakho noma dloti leli kumbethe lichamuka kwenye direction bese wena uyopha abantu labangangimbathanga. You understand ungawumisa umsamo for 10 years uthi mawufika emsamo ungaphahli idloti but ubite sitting people obatiko ukuthi bayingadi yakho dini futhi ihambe kahle ucala uphakamise idloti uthi ubita tibongo bese kuyabhetha kakhulu simply because letibongo tiphakamisako yitfo leti hamba nemoya lemibi.
Alright mkhulu asilene ndaba. Sikhuluma ngezizwe today. How to cook vele izizwe? What do you put the ingredients of cookies and how do you do them? Do you go emtabeni umapuna la cook izizwe? What's going on?
No, awuyentabeni umapuna mangaphana ukukha TV.
Okay.
iTV or izizwe.
Yeah,
let me accommodate your language. Izizwe zihlukene kaninginingi.
Okay.
Kunezizwe zokulwa. Kunezizwe zokudonsa. Kunezizwe oyisebenzisa futhi for ukuthi ukhuphule something or mawufuna ukuphakamisa something empilweni yakho.
Yeah.
So mina ngithi sihlukahlukene khona sasempumalanga according to mina isebenta mangaphani kuphuma ilanga. Mangaphani nje kunama tears of the sun uma usebenzisa leto TV leto tiba very very powerful.
Okay.
Mostly leto tisebenziswa yilabantu laba abaphephethako abalanzi abantu like makuchamuka lilanga ukhulume nayo lento le uyiphephethe umlanzi umuntu leto tisebenziswa mangaphani kuchamuka ilanga. Kube ne TV or izizwe eyisebenta ebusuku banifuma belele ngifuna ngiphuphe angiqabange angifunela ngingakhona sengikhathele uye ngigangela. Uyabona sengikhathele kuloya muzi bayangithakatha ngifuna dini futhi abothi iphinzele khona athi hambe tibuyele kubo besalele tibashaya. Uyabona kune TV etikhona kudlisa abantu emaphupheni.
Oh
Yes.
Okay.
But the main question mekuthi TV takhiwa kanjani?
Yes.
Alright. Uma wakha izizwe.
But before ungena embuzweni wami ne wait kunezizwe ezizaka back to sender.
Yeah.
Okay. So back to sender isn't like izibuyela kuwe lama problems umthumele wona.
Okay, usungithakathile wangithakatha ngingonanga or mhlambe ngonile.
Yeah.
Because phela emhlabeni asincingane siyahloniphana.
Yeah.
Mhlambe ngonile, mhlambe angonanga. Bese uyangithakatha uthumele noma yipi impanze lo suku isebenzisa ngaleso sikhathi.
Yes.
Understand one thing ukuthi izizwe is more powerful than impande.
Okay. Impande konje yini?
Ukuyahamba uyothatha umuthi lapha lo hlanganisiwe. Yabona impande nje imithi namaxolo bese kusebenziswa lo muthi loyo. Understand lo muthi awuna ownership futhi awuvuswa.
Yes.
Netitive etivusiwe futhi tine ownership.
Izizwe zinani sine spiritual or sine ritualist? Is ritualist or spiritualist?
Info enimathambo phakathi it's for ritualist.
Sinamathambo wani mkhona?
Info enitokutshela because phela asisaba. TV tinemathambo. Uma wakha TV kunemathambo lekumele uwathole. Like ithambo la tokoloshe. Ithambo lomkhovu. Ithambo lepiano. Uyabona? Kunemathambo lajulile ekumele uwathole uma wakha TV. Kunetinfo etivuswako ekumele utente mangaphane wakha TV. Endatiko TV ungatithatha bese uthi emfuleni yovusa TV yandlala lapha. iTV tifuna umnikati phela. Sewakhile ke wayigayile info wayihlanganisa sekumele uthole itinfo tokuvusa uhamba uyovusa lamadvoda either uyavusa emgidini or uyahamba uyavusa emathuneni because akuna TV leto ngangitshela ukuthi uyotivusa emfuleni mini uyadlala.
Before sizivusa now let's go back to ukuthi how usipheka kanjani, how do you cook them?
Okay, when you are cooking TV uthola lamathambe bengiwasho waletilwa netingitisho not tona kuphela kukhona netinye etifakwa phakathi kulawo mathambo lawo. Kube namafutha lajulile ekumele uwathole wafake phakathi mangaphane wakha TV. Tinfethi fana nabo halakavumo. Uyabona?
Yini halakavumo?
Ololo. Nesilwana bathi ngihalakavumo. Mafutha akhona nawo uyawathatha uyawafaka phakathi uma uwakha letinfethi nje. So ku dependa kwi nature ukuthi wakha TV dokwenta ini because TV dokudonsa ne TV tilwako adifana nendlela yokwakha futhi kakhona. Uyabona angeke uthi wakha into yokulwa bese ufaka kakhulu info yokulanzima. Uma wakha info yokulwa kumele ufake itilwane letilwawo ufake emathambo wetinfo letilwawo ayivindza uhamba uyovusa if ukuthi ufuna kuperative etininginkani uhamba yolanda umuntu owashona kabuhlungu noma washona ngingoti uyovusa ethuneni lakhe lento ukuthi isebenze because phela kumele nikete abantu futhi info bese tingasebenzi at the end of the day because ungawakha umuthi but what's more important iculture yokuvusa umuthi.
So le mithi le iyatholakala kona la isigangeni le wenza izive. ukwenza izizwe?
Hayi yonkana.
Okay, so the main thing is that ukuthi you the spiritualist and namathambo wamixako lapho kuzo wakhe izizwe.
Yes, because phela iTV kahle kahle it's a seasonal spirit. Nethi sinama seasonal spirits sibe nama non seasonal spirits. Masikhuluma ngama seasonal spirits sikhuluma ngale mimoya esebenta for leso sikhathi bese yehle emandla, kumele uphinde uyivuselele futhi iphinde isebente for leso sikhathi bese iyaphela futhi. The TV tona it's a seasonal spirit. Mangaphanye unado yathi ukuthi utoyisebenzisa leni for mhlambe for 5 months after lapho uya upgrade or usebenzisa lokunye failure to that emandla atoshona phasi phela nawo. Because kunemimoya ehambako since itshintsha isizini nanyalo kunetilwane etibuyako kunetilwane etihambako. If TV takho takhiwe ngale mimoya le ehambako it's gonna be slow. Nasetinvumbeni tebantu futhi siyabheka abantu bebengena bebaningi but nyalo bayehle bantu. It's simply because kuchintsha ema season nemoya yeTV ke nayo kunemoya ebalekako makuchintsha isizini iphindze ibuye futhi makuchintsha isizini. Yes.
Sure. So all right. So njengoba uhlathulula ukuthi izizwe zakhiwa ngaleli hlobo kwenzeke lokho. So manje ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi lezi zizwe ezi dangerous mawuso uzicounta ngingiziphi? Esokulwa.
TV tokulwa it's very very dangerous. Sokuhlola ngiyasibona. Khona TV tokuhlola. I can see TV tokuhlola but mina ngisirecommenda ebashana because there are other spirits ongathi mawunawo engehluli umuntu lo neTV athule nje akhale ngeTV 1 2 spy god yebo nkosi yami thili kusekuseni. So TV leti dangerous etokulu because if usebenzisa le madvota lawo yawathuma ukuthi akahamba yo if ungathuma kuwe ngithi akahamba yokushaya ngiyafika awakutholi la ngikufuna khona atoshana uma yini ayifica ekhaya. Yes. Mangathumi ngathi hamba nikulela ekhaya ngiyofunela ubabe wakhona nifike nimshaye usengihluphe kwanini la ningabuyi ningamphathanga noma yini abantu uyifica ekhaya abantu uyishaya uve kuthiwa kunomuntu ekhaya umane washayeka phasi waphuma emagwebu washona kunemuntu futhi ya driver waveli waphuma ingadi ngamakhala washona.
Oh, okay, all right.
Yes, because phela mangaphane usakha like is builder iTV angeke ungamvusa umuntu oshonile emandla sitowathatha kuba asithi letilwane ngelethi yathathwa divorce. Ngibani ototi hola because kudzingeka moya lo powerful ekumele uholela ama spirits. Kumele uhambe uyovusa umuntu lo sakashonile kube nguye ophethe le yami moya leya. Makahamba kube nguye ophethe ayidosa ashone naye empini la suke efuneka khona ngaleso sikhathi. Amadvotes aweyimpi lawo TV tilwa. Amadvotes amnyama.
Jama mkhulu. Azifiki lapha zibhoxane nawe like kubingasuthi siku boxing match siyashaya or something.
Angeke nibox wena utova nje ngathi kukhona le info le engimbathaka or info le kucindeti lakho bona kunebantu abalala bengagulanga bengena next kusekuseni bashonile.
Oh right.
Kuthi besihledi naye bekumnanzi mos kuvuke ekseni sekashonile bathi abodokotela hayi asiboni lutho uma nje kafela umtimba anti no it's because seke bagadliwe ethiwa ngithi emhlabeni siyahloniphana kodwa fasinqingane ke wrong ngi right mangifuna ukugadla ngiyagadla.
Hey mkhulu.
Yes phela emhlabeni siyahloniphana.
Yeah.
Siyahloniphana sisabana. More especially when it comes to fighting siyahloniphana sisabana.
Hey fanele
ingashayana nje ilitulu livume emini pa.
Ezingifuna yenzeni ngifuna wenza izizwe ezithumele ku Donald Trump.
Sithumele ku Trump.
Yeah, sithumele ku Trump zera USA singafika fast ne?
No.
Not really.
TV ingathi ungatfola something more stronger than TV. But there are more powerful spirits than TV.
Okay. Ezingenza konke lokho.
Yes. Mawufuna ukugadla umuntu fombulale.
Yeah.
Umuntu ungamfuna Monday. Thursday gone.
Yo,
when it comes to killing a person, o mina ke angikho msula mina. Ngikho nqale ngqe. Yes, I've got a good heart, but I don't have a forgiving heart.
What do you mean? What happened, mkhulu?
No mina mangifaka umbese so. Mina ngishaya ngesod.
Okay.
Nginiketa dead end. Solo ngisho ngithi semhlabeni siyahloniphana ayisabani.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So there are other things
that you provoke yini.
Yeah, baya provokana sometimes. Nithi sekuduzane sipha. Sekuduzane abantu
Sihlangana emoyeni.
Tohlangana emoyeni.
Yeah.
but ngingibashaya mina nge-TV into bashaya ngesipoko nje khona
okay uyakwazi ukushaya umuntu ngezulu
mina usonzile eduzane makukhona lokuphethe ebuhlungu kube ngophethe ifakade phela uzulu akusini for le difficult it's something that oyifundzako la kamhlaba bayakufundisa nje ukuthi into kanjani then bese uyayi-obtain ukhona ukuyiphatha leyo nto leyo.
Does this izwe can make you go crazy?
Yes, they can make you go crazy. Tiyathathwa nje TV tiyomixwa netingubo telihlanya hambe siye emathuneni mekhona mithi yakhona leti 70 sakho sifike sicela lapha sihlabele imbuti lemnyama yabona gone even if ngathi umuntu ufuna utshonishile kufike kuthatha umhlabathi la nishoshe khona uthathe lo mhlabathi umixwe neTV nale mithi lengisho netinye info takho lo muntu ngidombona ophambana ngekhansi kanti nguye lo muntu wayinishonishile lapha Tulu ukuthi siyahamba each and every time makabona things awufise ngathi anga breaker in simply because wahamba wayongena emntini lo wrong kwasebenza umhlabathi wafaka eTVini damshaya.
So is it something lokuthi abantu vele bayi demand in most cases leyo
iTV? Yes,
especially lezo ukuthi like lese banqekezela.
Yes, bayidima abantu bathwele imadima bagceketelwa ebantu abakhoni kulala bayathakathwa ebantu bafuna ukuqinisa emakhaya ngeTV. Yes, it happens bantu bayafika mina emkhulu ngicela ungiqinisela le business lami ayingithwele imadima mama abantu badlalela kimi yabona. There are even iTV that can help ukuthi ejardini if you are owning a business people must not fight inside your business premises, they must go outside. Ingaqhitheki ingadi ngaphakathi because ukuqhitheka kwengadi in your business premise umkhokha loyo onga affect business kuphela but affecta wena as the owner ye business at the same time. Yes. So kumadima kulomhlaba.
Yeah, but ngingiziphi lezi zizwe ngasuthi lezi zi right ke lezi you will advise many people to have them.
TV letimhlophe.
Okay, ngezinjani lezo?
Ito leti ngithi mina tisebenta mangaphane kuphuma ilanga. Or ngithi TV tasempumalanga simply because it's very very great makuchamunga ilanga lapho ngikhuluma ngenfo okhona ukuyifaka kwi-charcoal ushise mawune business umemeta abantu futhi abachamuke befike ku yes lapho ngichama ngenfo okhona ukuyisebenzisa futhi mangaphane ekhaya netimpentilwako but you don't understand ukuthi ngibani lo silwisako la khaya siyavuka siyagula siphethwe itibhobo sicabana sokufana siyalwa akulungi next but wena ufuna ngulwa awufuna ukenta next. You simply take le TV letiya utishise nje ukhulume nathi la khaya ngifuna kube ikhaya lokuthula ngifuna imphumelelo kubantwana bami nami I want peace nothing else. Le TV leto tiyakhona ukuthi tikusite kakhulu because yitfo futhi leto khona ukuthi utilungise mase ngaphane wakha TV dokubhula futhi or ufuna ukuhlola abantu so mina ngiprefer kona ngoba kona ku clean usuku ungalwi namuntu usuku ungaphinzisi kumuntu but usuku ufuna ama soldier dokulekelela ukuthi kuphileke kangcono ekhaya. Yes.
Sure.
So tihamba kanjalo.
Yeah, zona sinabo ubungozi ne?
No.
Yeah.
Most of TV atina bungoti. Cala ingoti uma ngaphane sethi phakamisiwa TV. Sifuna kuphakamisa something nge TV. You must make sure lapho ukuthi TV takho sihlambulukile.
Then lezi zizwe zokubethela umuzi zona ngezinjani?
There is no need ukuthi usihlambulule leso because vele uyabe sempini.
Ufuna ukubamba umthakathi
litokulwa umfica azulazule ekhaya umfica azulazule ekhaya ezifu ufakile isibethelo nethi imizi yabethelwa amakhehla umuntu awuround umuzi wakhe angawuthula tibonela nje ni tavern or tibonela isport ground kanti kukhona la bebathu yakho bafike bayokufuna bethunya ukuthi abayokushaya bakufiqe ukuyihlayela umfana lomncane ukudlalela music abakuthone ukuthola kanti it's you are there.
Izizwe lezo.
Yes, izizwe lezo. But mangaphana ufuna zento lo umsebenzi lo uyasithatha isive if ukuthi ufuna kube umfana lomncane usibuilda nga something yomlungu. Then they will find umfana lomncane lapho they won't see you but you are there when yababona nje. Bona baboni but bona umfana omncane umlungu empodlala la because of the way usiphakamise ngakhona leso sive leso.
So in your career sangoma have you ever wawubethela umuzi and uzokhona obanje umthakathi?
Yes, plenty. Khona nje beshonile.
Serious?
Mina hence I said ukuthi mina I do not have a forgiving heart. Mina ngijoja ngombese ngikufaka isonto. So uma kumele ufe ifa, uma kumele ubukwe ebantu, ubukwa ebantu. kudisikhathi sokuthi siprotect abantu labangqolile because emakhaya lamaningi awavuki namuhla simply because abantwana abafela tonote batali bona bengahlangene naleyo nto leyo. There's no point ukuthi ungathakatha umuzi wonke amna or else umuntu waqabani naye mhlawumbe sashona ngisho ukushona. And umthakathi mumbi ngentfo leyo because usuke efisa impilo yakho but usuke engakhona ukuthola impilo yakho yena.
Right.
But yena ufisa your life but akakhona ukuthola your life or ufisela abantwana bakhe impilo yakho but yena akakhona ukuthola your life. Ugcine sekuvuka inkinga la.
So my mom umthola like azula lapha ejardeni wenzani ufika uyamyekela what's going on there?
Ungamyekela ayimele umyekele. Nithi inhloso bekuthi umbamba. Anumthatha umfaka isigubhu imthwale ngayo. But
Bengakayi expect ke la.
Anumthatha umfaka isigubhu imthwale ngayo. Or umnikete umphakathi ke utibonela ukuthi bona benta njani ngayo. But mina nguprefer lo mkhokha ukuthi kushiswe abantu.
Oh okay. No, ish akho nice ne.
Because uma kushiswa umuntu obanjwe imithi yakho understand ukuthi nawe njengemuntu lokhiphele umuthi kusamele ugeze hlambulule letinfo takho because luyamkhokha ukuthi each and every person lo obambeka ngemithi yakho utoshiswa. Each and every person lo obambeka ngemithi yakho utoshiswa.
Yeah.
At least try other ways. Yabona because lokuhlambulula kuyaphetha. Akavela anyamalale kuthi udukile akatholakala ukuthi ushone kuphi.
Yeah. Then in that way it's better.
Yeah, ahambe ukhanza ngayo ikhubala. Maningi makhubala afuna kuphakamisiwa vele uyinsila lempi.
Eish.
Because the more sitolele abantu labasithakathako or abantu labasibulela latinfo letibalekile empilweni yethu, the more kuchubeke emhlabeni. Ungaba nenhlitiyo enhle kumuntu fangabe nenhlitiyo enhle ku. Ngibani lo lima lakho nguwe negeneration yakho at the end of the day.
So izizwe zokubethela imizi kanenge is because of vele sifuna ukubamba umthakathi or nisebenzisa lezi zokulwa.
Yabona masibethela imizi ebantu sisebenzisa donative leti tokulwa. But asisebenzisi dotfana khona lokunye edako kuthi. But main aim ukuthi sibabambe bathakathi. Babonakala because phela ungasuspecta munye umuntu onothi ufind ukuthi munye lo muntu futhi okubulalela tinfo takho akusinguye lo mbonako because bantu bangakhona ukusebenza ngetinsila takho. Yes ngetinsila takho kuthiwe nguwe lo thakatha ukuthola ukuthi akusiwo. Hamba ufike uyohlola enyangeni fike kuthi nangu umuntu lokuthakatha uthola ukuthi akusiwo umthakatha wahamba wathatha insila yomuntu wasekhaya wasebenza ngayo makuvela kubathakathi kuthiwe ngiluya umuntu wasekhaya lo thakatha. Manje nyamuko lo muntu ulunge kufa lokugcina. Kwasebentiwa ngetinsila takhe ukuthi makuvela lapha kuvele yena because phela umuntu siyakhona ukubopha mawugadla umuntu siya ensure ukuthi mangaphana yohlola akuveli ukuthi nguwe umgadla akuveli mina ngeke ngikuthakathe bese kuvela inyangeni ukuthi ngiyakuthakatha kungavela somebody else ashona kudala futhi emathuneni phela impilo yethu siyakhona ukuyilahla nato tive lethi can assist ukuthi silahle impilo yethu mawungifuna mina ungangitholi kami.
Yeah.
Uhambe uyongithola emgedeni, thola ukuthi TV tami ngativusela emgedeni, ngabe sengabethela ngempilo yami emgedeni, mina ngeke ungivole endlini. Ungathumela thila ukhathala. Kude lokutolonga.
Jesus.
Kungahlangani next, ukhathale, ugadle lishone elanga, kungaphumeleli next.
What did you find in most cases when you go to these houses yokubethela?
Kunemimoya ongakhona ukuyikhipha easily. Kunemoya ngikukhona ukuyikhipha easily. Info lengibonile mostly ma families lamaningi awanamsamo today not because of bona or ama family members wabo.
Okay.
Yathi kunomuntu ongathatha info takhe athi tfumele ekhaya kakho matifike ekhaya kakho tingene emsamo ethi coshe idloti kusale dona. Ngathi ngiyahamba nyobhidlita kuloyamu mabashisa impepho kube emnyama kakhulu. Mabahlaba kube emnyama kakhulu.
No ungayipressa kodwa. All right ungaqhubeka.
Mabaphahla nje kube emnyama kakhulu. Uthola ukuthi kafilwa imimoya khona kulelo jaride. What I've discovered ukuthi emakhaya lamaningi ababulalananga bodwana. But kwasebenziswa tinsila tabo ukuthi kubukeke sengathi babulalana bodwana. Most of families lamuhla awangenelana. Yes, awangenelana. Uthola ukuthi labanye kunetinto abetilandzile batifaka ekhaya bese kuba umdliwa leyo nfo leyihlala ngaphakathi ekhaya. Uthola ukuthi sikhwama mbe sasiphilisa babe wala ekhaya wahamba babe wala ekhaya wayishiya le nfo yabese yagamna umsamo akusaphumeleli lutho abantwana bayaphahla benta inithwala dlotini ngaphandle alingeni tholithi leyani fuleya ifike yahlala nje ekhaya akuphumeleli umuntu baba ama graduate abantu ekhaya bafunze babe baningi ungasebenzi ngisho loyo wami.
It's because of lomdliwa
uthola ukuthi nje mabaphahla idlotini lingekho right or idlotini lingekho ikasuka nje umthakathi wayofuyela ekhaya kubo makufika ihlwa letingene emsamo ihlale relax amadloda ayashesha ukuduba aya give up a short tempered that's why ekhona ukulalela ebantu easily makukhulunywa ngawo kungene lemimoya ifika imbathi imsamo kulele ekhaya abantu bangaphumeleli like benima resources okuphumelela but they are not going forward simply because of info etahamba tafakiwa kulelo khaya lena. And what I have discovered more ukuthi emakhaya lamaningi lahlushwa info letinjalo angeke ungamthola umntwana ongekho right ekhanda
banomntwana ongabe right ekhanda
thola ukuthi seyifriend yayo le yamimoya leya uthi uyabheka abantwana bakhona kumele ngabe bayalotholwa bayagana bayathenjiswa kuphela babuye labanye baba nama miscarriages simply because of le yamimoya le ayatihlabela yabona. They are very very dangerous spirits aplantiwa emakhaya webantu. Even lama divorce amangaka there are many divorced angekho natural thola ukuthi kunetinto etentiwa ebantu simply because of jealousy ba plant emajardini abantu because nato TV tiyakwenta lokho ungathatha TV utiphephethe utithumele emntini yebantu uthola ukuthi sekudlibhika imithi yabantu simply because of libathakathi bingisho mina ngithi yabona kusamele sidile nale chapter yebathakathi kumele babanje iminyalo sibabone because sekonakele kakhulu emhlabeni and the industry yomnyanga kuyonakala too much because of bona nokuthi akudilwa nabo ngendlela le right.
So vane bembele ini like ini bembela izinto nyana ngikubona lapha ku social media ukuthi mhlambe kuye ugobelo thizeni and then uyemba lapha uthola amabhodlelo abophe ngezinto snacks. What is those things?
Leyo nto leyo awuhambo uyogubha ejaridini lomuntu bese uyayifaka lokusuke kugujwa lapha kukhishwa phasi kwemhlabathi. Let me tell you this scientifically.
All right.
Uyafika kimi ngiyakuthatha mina ngokusala siya khona uyofuna ukusebenta abantu bakulelo khaya kunemithi lesisebenzisako if isemabhodleleni sifake kulawo mabhodlela if usiphethe mbese siphethe leyo mbese if usiphethe leto tinfo leto siphethe leto tinfo leto bese siyasebenta ngalawa amakhubalo la sisebentela khona ngaba sesigangeni kungaba sentabeni sisebentela khona ngaleyo mithi leyo bese siyathumela uma sithumela ngeke kusukele ke sikuphethe thina la stokuthatha kona sikumbela khona sikufihla khona but ipower yomuthi itohamba iyongena lapha limithi bekumele siyithumele kulo yamusa itofika in a form of umuthi futhi lo ebese uphethe thina la mase bamba because phela ngeke umane kumbini uma ngibani kumbele bantu labane moya aba prophetical people that can see or abagcabele futhi siyamba thina skipha info leti ngaphasi komhlabathi and itiyashaya
lezo zinto lezo.
Yes, most of them uba grey hands tibe grey because they are dangerous unless if kunemithi yakho difake kuwe kokhona ukuthi manje ukhombe uyikhiphe because info esuke ingakhelwanga kulelo charity suke ithunyelwe inyanga or umthakathi nomuntu osuke efuna ukudila nalabo bantu labo personally.
So how do you protect yourself then when as mulaphi wendabuko to make sure that these things they don't come back to you and bite you back?
Uma umelaphi wendabuko kumele ucine ungabi weak. We understand ukuthi kune time whereby you will face difficult situations kunetinto etingafuni kuphuma la wena kumele ucine wathi ukuthi angeke kushayeke abantu balakhaya kuphinze kubaleke nawe ezegobela
akukhonakala ni
kumele ube fit kunemabhanzi kumele wafake kumele ugcabe kubi netinto kumele tigcabe kuwe kumele kube namadfoto ohamba nawo phela ikhinyanga ngangitshela ukuthi ehamba so hayi ngabe nemanga inyanga ethi yona ayicinanga ngalutho ayibalansanga ngalutho ukulekelela yona self angisakhuluma ngomsebenzi sengikhuluma ngayo self ngabi nemanga sinema soja wethu asikhatha esathi ukuthi masiyongena ekhakini sofike sikuthole emkhuluko esikufunako and batho supporta bona baba ama defender wethu ukuthi kungabi connects le into ekakuthi.
Yes, there's this other thing masikhuluma kanje iyabuya emcondweni ne you find out ukuthi abantu people they will just tell you ukuthi hey mkhulu yazi mina ekhaya like mangilele ekhaya ngivuka ngikhathele others will say yazi kuna something egijima phezulu kwendlu kuba ngasuthi umuntu ushaya marathon kudu on the kulamasenke yabona izinto zamasenke emakhaya zibanjani yeah kudu then the next thing yathulanyana for like few minutes in the middle of the night and then it will cross over again. Bane kwenzakalana on those situation.
Mayihlekisana ihlomyelena. kuba njalo vele angeke ungitselele daylight ucabanga ukuthi ngidokuyeke ebusuku abanye soke bebangala abakubangako bese bayathumelelana yona lemimoya naletilwane leti mina ngeke ngikuphike bakhona abantu abasebenta ngetilwane straight ngikhuluma ngemfene or maybe inkawe esebentiwe angeke ngikhulume mina ngomkhovu ngithi kunomuntu futhi na uthumela umkhovu umkhovu ngawuvusa owakhe ucreate uvuse bese uyawuthumela but angeke ungitshela ukuthi ufuyile ukhomba ku drop angeke ukuthi ufuyile ukhomba ku drop because even umuntu uma umthwebula umvusa aba umkhovu uconnecta naye in a spiritual form
akabe sebhodleleni akafani nolisilo lisilo ihlakwana something
angithi usu createile artificial usukuyigona lapho uma ummemeta kuyigona umemeta ini ama spirits then ama spirits sebesakhona ukuconnecta naye yabo so kugijima tonke letinfo letho abantu abalali uthola ukuthi babangiswa nje either impumelelo or khona la sicabane khona sabe sathi siyothulana ngobusuku ngoba phela masicabana khona la sithulana khona ngeke sibane sicabane bese kuphela kanjalo akumele umuntu kumele umfundise isifundo mostly manicabana nomuntu asiyeke le jealousy because vele khona abafela tona labangatati uthola ukuthi nje uthenga imoto kuthiwa athenga imoto kanjani thina singena moto yabona ushatha njani mina abamfana bengashathile yabona kukhona lokhami kuthiwa use graduate sifuna ukubona ukuthi ukaphumelele yini uthola ukuthi umuntu afuna umsebenzi angawuthuli uthola laba ngemuva kwakhe na akawuthuli but labanye ke suke belayana because umuntu vela makakusukela kumele udile naye if impi yethu iyahluleka physically
hlangane emoyeni
asimani siba maninja sihlangane khona emoyeni sibone ukuthi kutohamba njani khona and le amaninja yashesha niyashesha because ngikuthola ngisho ngathuka ukuthi nalabo bekugada bekuvikela bekulwela suke bengasakhona kuvikela lapho ngoba soyise ngithumele ku street sengithi naye 1-on-1 ase udefend esibo
so vane kuyimfene le egijima phezulu kwendlu
mostly kuba dimfene not yona kuphela there are various animals labanawo abantu abakhona ukuthi bawafuye bawathumele yes akhona amanye ama animals lathunyelwako wona akhona lokho ngeke ngiphikisa akhona wona lamanye athunyelwako but I would ngithumela umkhovu lapha no umkhovu ngawu create artificial bese uthumela but ikhona into lento egibelako vele emntini yebantu
isigijima
yes ora abafana bafushana bathumele nje bahambe bafiki bandlalela ekhaya lemuntu bandlalela ekhaya lemuntu thola ukuthi abantu bakhona bavuka bakhathele bavuka ngathi behave ama sexy and stuff thothi bebe busy lebantu nabo nje the whole night and most yalabo bantu labo isuccess yabo iyadelay it's delays because uma ufika phambi ngebantu abakuboni wena ezilomuntu owuye inhlanhla yakho isuke ikhavekile yakhava ile mimoya le engimbathako hence I said they are ritualists and kunama spiritualists if umuntu aperforma ama rituals pay kwakho surely wena yakhe impilo itoba slow hence I said ukuthi asikisa ngome sothi siyophumelela kahle but isibhizi silala nogobela at the same time I mean emathwasana angeke kulunga
kuqinisile mkhulu then ngifuna ukukubuza nana into sleep paralysis angazi ukuthi ngiyibiza ngeSwati ngisibiza ukuthi konje ngiyokwenza isikatapowana ne le ukuthi when you sleep ne and then you feel like there's a person in the house and then you can't move you can't scream you want to scream but you can't
yes
is it normal because can I fula lapha ku Google and then it tells me ukuthi is the position olengayo and what not but ngifuna understand ukuthi ngelihlo lomoya what is the difference?
Mina, I would kind of like to differ. It's not about how you are sleeping. Because ungalala noma ngayiphi position. If land for iyakufuna idoctor. Ungangena in a new house. Thola ukuthi le ndle bengasahlali umuntu. Maybe for 4 months. Sekunemimoya esibona ukuthi likhaya layo le. Uthi uyafika wena usu wrestler nayo isifuna ukukhipha because sicabanga ukuthi this is our home. Uthi usahledi kwakho urelaxile kufika inyanga kamakhelwane ikhiphe abomamsosi khiphe tilwane khiphe abotokoloshi clean jaridi la khona wena ngakha ucinisanga makusuka lokho akuyajumpa kuyakakho wena usurelaxile ulele embedeni yakho usiyachamunga lo muntu lo ukwatile utakuwe afika akujayivisa simply because ubona indzawo ensha yokuhlala naye
shit
leyo ndva it's not something natural info le yakhiwako nethi siyabacela majority skip imimoya mayisuka imimoya iyala ku wiki khona ima kufica ulele uwiki na ungacinanga ungena next yakho for sure itofika idlalele kuwe ihambe iphinzi ibuye futhi ngakusasa and mostly yenta ngesikhathi lesifanako mayicala nga9 na the following day it October at the same time.
Yazi ne ngike yangibamba this thing ne mara bengihlala kwelinye iflat ngafanga esenzazi ngilele ebusuku angifike
akushonelanga umuntu kulo because if kukhona nomuntu ohambele kuleyo building leyo muntu wangalandva la ngahlanjulula utobuya phela athi no la kuka this is my place I belong here and bando who's this person siwa sesibambe wrestling
yeah and angeke wazi vena
yes utovuka ujulu kumanti or uthi uyavukulele phansi
imagine
uthi uyavukulele phansi that's why ngithi mina even umuntu if ashonelwe i-boyfriend yakhe or umkhwenyana wakhe hey make sure ukuthi uyageza uhlambulula ngendlela le right failure to that stock fiqulele phansi akususe embhedeni akubeke phansi akususe embhedeni akubeke phansi
just like that
yes angakususe embhedeni akubeke phansi uthola ukuthi besenilala in separate bed utokususa kowakho akulethe kowakhe uthi uyavuka sewulele phansi or ulele komunye umbhede kuthiwe hayi no lo uya sleep walker in ngithola ukuthi umbethwe umoya kunebantwana aba sleep walker today ithola ukuthi wahamba thiwa umoya wasekhaya kubo but lo moya lo awuhlambulukile ngendlela le right umntana uya sleep walker kumele ngabe kulungiswa lo wamuntu loya asuke emntwaneni umntwana abuye abe into senses because phela mangaphandle ivakasha idloti or le moya ivakasha iconnecta nathi mostly spiritually angeke ukuthi uhlethi so uphila bese then fika kucindetela but mawulele une spiritual form ila idokuthola khona
bese yini lento ye sleepwalking ngelihlo lomoya
emini i-sleepwalking imimoya esuke ikungbethe but lo moya leyo isuke ingekho right suke kunebantu maybe bafuna ukupha something abasekhaya or maybe kunomoya owakugana yes
okay
kunomoya owakugana lo moya wakuthanza lo moya uma ukuthatha ukusleepwalkisa ukubonisa different places bese ufuna ukuhambisa the physically instead of ukuthi ukuhambise lapha spiritually phela kunemimoya kumele sidile nayo spiritually nemimoya kumele sidile nayo physically so manje bafuna ukukuthatha bakudilise nemimoya kumele ngabe udile nayo spiritually physically surely there will be a problem because uhamba ulimala simply because they are taking you physically in a spiritual form kodwa
yazikhengezwa ini ne because laba abaya emanzini like umuntu akhona ngene emanzini abasho okay
emantini bangene okay
reaction yakho
no I was shocked
yazi basho benzani no bangena like emanzini you know umuntu akhona like ugcine ukuzibona like adla mhlambe or maybe alala ekhaba then bese ke jikijiki sikazibona akazibona inhle kuhle ugcine alala ekhaba then boom sikabuye ukuthwasa emanzini 2 months later or weeks later yes but sure it's ileyo mimoya le so I want to relate it with what you're saying right now ukuthi imimoya ekuthatha spiritually but isuke ibuye back ikuthathe physically what are your thoughts on that
emimoyeni you can travel spiritually you can go wherever labafuna ukubeka khona spiritually you can learn whatever that they want you to learn spiritually but physically there are things you cannot handle asesithi maybe bafuna ukubonisa umoya wenkanyamba maybe inkanyamba yamani so you're trying to tell ukuthi kunemuntu ongaphuma endlini ayongena elwandle or emfuleni la khona leyo moya angeni phansi kwemanti a living human that's not true
basho kanjalo
they can travel spiritually but not physically abasentele practically nyalo sibona othi nawangena phansi kwamanti akachamuke simubeke ashone phakathi futhi simubona
basho there are houses under water
yes you can see houses underwater spiritually
not physically
they cannot go there physically because ungafika uboniswe indzawo ubone there are houses there emfuleni uboniswe indzawo houses and stuff uma ufika wena the following day labo uboniswa khona uthi afika abantu wakhona awandluli ngisho edolweni
okay Masango uyakhumbula ngeflaga lapha enidamile basho kubani kwabani konje nge yes basho bekunomuntu obekangena ngapha nakangenako aphuma umile bekuliqinisa
angene emantini aphumele ngale
awumile
aphume
ya dry yeah
babe Masango did you see that thing or they told you so you saw it mina ngikukhola ngathi na ushaya no but mina washonela khona kulowo manje oh I mean but mina personally I mean angikholwa ngafuna ungiprovele yo.
All right.
Mina because everything engiyikhuluma ngo I can prove it. Uma ngithi ngakuthatha ngikubulala I can do it. Uma ngithi ngakuprophesy ngakubula I can do it. So uma uthi ungangena emantini womile I mean utry uphinda uphumele ngale utry.
Yeah.
In a spiritual form.
In a physical form. I don't know whether there's maybe I'm sure there is spiritual in between, but you enter there in a spirit of physical.
Then uphumele ngale womile futhi.
Yeah.
Hayi ngiyambongela.
That's a magic, right?
And I don't believe in magics.
Yeah.
I believe in reality. That's why even Babi Masango ngamthemba.
It's an old story. It's an old story that I ngilungisizwa because even nami during those times I heard that ukuthi there is a guy ukuthi ungena lapha. He used to inform people ukuthi they shouldn't do laundry yabo and bathele amanzi lawa anesipha emanzini layo.
Uyacabanga ke because ownership siyayithola kuma spirits. Uyathi ukuthi ngaba nedamu or nomfula engenta khona my things engifuyele khona my things thola ukuthi mina ngirithi ngathwala but uma ngithwala emoya mangayibeka ekhaya ngayibeka kulo yamfula lo ya.
Is that possible?
Yes, it's possible. Kube nomfula onako where else ufuyele kuwo umcebo wakho uinvest kulo mfula. Uyabheka abantu uma befika kulo mfula bayashona simply because badliwa imillion for yakho owayishiya lo lapha. Uperforma ama rituals ngetimpilo tabo labo bantu labo. That's why I was shocked. Try.
But as Bishop back then they used to see boats on that river. It's a river, yes. They used to see some boats there. Sometimes they will see a white woman there. Yeah, isn't it slugile nje babona umfazi omlungu lapha brush inwele. Yeah, during the day. So belenza nje ama miracles. Yeah. Mara manje alisenza ngithi
shuthi kashona yena ngaphela ama miracles meaning wayithwaliwa bese wa invested in for takhe kuledo dam lelo leti infinity bonako nina ama spirits awafaka khona shuthi lo muntu wayenemali yeah shuthi wayenemali shuthi wayethema ngathwala wasebenzisa lo yamfula for ukuthi entela ama rituals wakhe khona the reason about you do not go there simply because he knows he's performing rituals there you go there you become a part of a ritual. Yes, that's why I was kind of shocked because I've been studying about these things and experiencing these things like
mina ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe there was a mermaid there so maybe une relationship right now le mermaid
only if why wamvusa imemedi in a spiritual form like igona but makalvusa igona lakhe wayoperforma ama rituals wakhe kuloyo mfula surely they will see different things or maybe kunama lights like candles you understand where they coming from simply because there's a spirit vested lapha kunomuntu othwalilwa bese oshiya imoya yakhe khona lapha.
All right.
Yes.
All right, no I hear you. Oh wow, yeah, nami yangithusa ke la.
Ngiyafiwa. Ngiyafiwa.
Okay, let's really back to kulezi izizwe ne. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi bashe kunezizwe zokuthi Yolanda bring back the lover.
There is.
Tell us about
even if you've never been in a relationship with that person.
Okay, ngiyomthatha.
Umthanza nje serious.
Nami ngakuthatha wathi uvani lo celebrate. Yeah, nomzamo mbatha. Ngithatha nomzamo mbatha. Isizwe zingangilandela nomzamo.
What you will need to do ukuthi ufollow ama instructions if uyamfuna.
Yeah.
And previously amakhehle yes ayigaya but ulwazi lalishotha kancane because ukulapha kumele kuhambisane ingathi unga add ne knowledge nyana because previously abantu bebekhala ama bangapha nebesebenzisela div akhala umuntu wasuka ekhaya kubo aye straight lo muntu lo msebenzisela leto info leto but now it's no longer happens.
Okay.
Ngosebenzisa nje umuthi agcina umuntu fekufuna kuma socials act for like I've been dreaming about this guy. Have you seen a person like this? I've been dreaming about this guy and then the ensure ukuthi one day meet up. If you've never seen each other, they ensure ukuthi oh now they are meeting up. A problem will begin if a room obusebenzisela kuyo letinfo leti awichinchanga ibedding yakhona and stuff because utobona ngiphupe the same house ngabona the same thing wow, what's happening? But kulaba sebeke bathandzana bona bahlukana ungambuyisa nje umuntu wakho nge-TV.
Okay, so then the last for how long?
Mina normally say umuntu faka 70 TV tokulanza ipartner yakhe for 3 days, not more than 3 days. 70 for 3 days ulinze. Maybe within 5 days there will be a connection. But within the 3 days or 70s, I'm sure there will be a sign. Maka block he'll talk unblock. But there will be a sign. She will do something if it's a she. He will do something if it's a he. Because utubumlanza phela. Mafuta amakhulu hamba nyongilandzela umuntu wami usibana nakabami. Ngifuna ngiphupha ngicabangabuyele kimi sengikhathele ukuhlale ngikho duzane kwami. Batomlanza utobuyela ku. Even if ngathiwa sekukhona umunye umuntu, watshela ukuthi makukhona umuntu lo wamthatha ngimithi kimi or emsebenzisela imithi lemibi ukuthi angafuni mina. Jikani lo mithi bese sebentela mina. Khanyisela ikhandlela elimhlophe lapha uyashisa empephweni. If uyabona ukuthi sekudifficult kuyaliwa, faka ikhandlela elimhlophe nelibomvu. Wabeke lapha ufaka impepho, shisa iTV takho uhlala utilinze or relax. Connect nemimoya mawuyisebenzisa ngaleso sikhathi. They will bring back your lost lover.
Okay,
even if kuyimpahla yakhe initshoshiwe. You can bring back impahla enitshoshiwe umuntu asuke la khona. Ayibuyisele back la athathe khona.
Like isn't like umuntu
stole your book,
stole my book and then ayibuyise ngezizwe.
Yes, ayibuyisele kuwe.
Shoot
manga ithengisile abuya kutshele ngimi wangena la khaya ngathatha info leso sengithengisile enzaweni leso. Imisebenzi yezizwe.
Nana umuntu wamthathela imoto Steve.
But when it comes to a car, I funeki info slow because banga stripper and do other things, so you need something stronger like spoke. Info thoughts ma ithumela uyiphakela uyithi info thendala. Hamba sekunakele kude. Khona nje nomunye engakutsalanga, it's just a radona talk about info abantu in public. Bekathathelwe imoto for nayo waya kweminye inyanga yamshaya 30,000. Yangabuya ngafika ngamcharge 700 rand. If kuthi uyayibona le video, it's me. 700 rand kuphela yabuya leyo moto leyo. Wathi ucela ukubonga ngathi no, it's fine. uNkulunkulu nje kuphela ukusitile nedlodela sekhaya.
So fanele babe careful abantu out there ne.
Yes, people must be careful. I-asset yakho, info yakho iqinise. Akukadlalelwa lolu infoni yakho. Not the mode for nemiti kuphela and stuff. Emizini angadlalelwa. Umuntu mathi maqabanga likhala akhe even ecabanga ukulibhidlida, aqabanga twice. Ungadlalelwa.
Sure. And speaking of that, ngifuna sithathe at least 1 year yemfuyo, you know, because of sometimes imfuyo bayayeva these days, bayayeva like nobody's business. Now kufanele protect through izizwe.
Yes, ungayiprotect imfuyo through izizwe, but mase ufakile izizwe bese ufaka amadvots amakhulu ekumele alusele imfuyo ahambe nazo lezizwe.
Zimpoko nazo lezo.
Yes, ingisho ngathi imfuyo yakho ikhonela ukuphuma, iphinze ibuyele futhi ibuyele back la beyisuke khona. Bangisho bangayinshosha bona balwe nayo imfuyo ingafuni kuhamba ifuna ubuyela back la esuke khona.
Iyakwazi ukuzilwela.
Yes, kunemfuyo engena ephuma ekhaya ngo6 ekseni. Itibuyele back 6 ntambama ingalanzwa ngamuntu.
Ayina melusi.
Ayina shepherd. Wena nje uyathi ukuthi ufake ini esibayini sakho or ufake ini kwimfuyo yakho wayithungisela ngami. Shaya impempe yakho nje ekhaya imfuyo isuka la ikhona ibuye. Shaya insimbi yakho imfuyo isuka la ikhona ibuye.
In the case ukuthi bayafika abafana ebusuku ke.
Bafika bayithatha.
Bayithatha.
Sesifuna ukuyilanza. Batoyibuyisa.
Angeke ubalande emuva.
But uyibuyisa. Ungalokho uthi hlupha udriver wele nale Hamba isibayini la bebangene khona. Ufika ukukhulumisa amadvots amakhulu ukuthi sekunje imfuyo yami ehambile bekuyi-investment yami le. Ngifuna babuya nayo iphila or babuye nayo ifile, but bona ngibafuna la babuye nayo le mfuyo le. Uyacabanga ukuthi ningalwa ni10 nibanga imfuyo because sekumele ihlukaniswe ibulawe simply because of the infant ifakwe kuyo le mfuyo le. Bajikela nebodwana abantu omunye ahamba aye kopayisa labanye omunye ahamba kopayisa labanye simply because of info lo ifakile kwimfuyo yakho. Just like a car, amanye bathi ayithengiswe, amanye bathi ayingathengiswa, amanye bathi ayistripiwe, amanye bathi ayingastripiwe. Kuliwe till ite ifikele kuwe leyo nto yakho la. Simply because of imithi lesebenzisa yakho phela umuthi uyakhanva manfota. Umuthi right awufani neBhayibheli. Umuthi siyawucoca siphinde siwuprove. Yes. uma ngithi mina ikhubalo lakhiwa sona so ngiyalakha ikhubalo ngiyalivusa siyalivusa siyakuprove lokho esikusho ngikuthiwa ngithi umuthi muhle because siyawucoca siphinde soprove futhi in practical.
Science msindare.
Yeah, it's science and science lejulile because who knew ukuthi if ungahlanganisa emathambo la julile iyohlanganisa amafutha la julile nemithi le serious ungakhona ukuvusa ukuthi le tinfo leti ti benefits ukuthi went it for 10 days in life. It's just science. And I normally criticize labantu abathi isigubhu lesikhulumako requires a person to die. Manga lawo.
Ngesinjani esikhulumako? Sine voice.
Mostratha shake so. Kube nenfethe phakathi. It's unfortunately because angisiphathanga isigubhu sami. Maybe ngitokulalelisa. But whoever onegona lam can tell you what I'm talking about. Shake bengathi khona into lekhuluma ngophakathi. Previously bantu bebelieve ukuthi kumele kushone umuntu ukuthi kwentekele yanto. Do you know le nyoni lekuthiwa ipolpol?
No.
You don't know? Mkhulu, do you know ipolpol? There's a bird that you educate. Mawufuna ikhulume it speaks.
Oh, lekhulumayo?
Yes.
Enendaba, ngiyayibona.
You educate that bird. So what do you think will fail if you take that bird or you replace in a position of a human? Nothing will fail. It's science. Science plus education.
So mawuthi kuhlukulu inale khulumako la?
Dokuphathela lona. Or ufike ulibheke emsamo udolive.
Ukukhulumana?
Even ulithatha ulibhekisa phansi so. Kungaphumi next kube empty. Ulifake something phinde ulibhekise phansi. Kungaphumi next kube empty. Ulicocise ulidlalise lichithe. I will even make a video for you to see that one. Or utibonele wena like physically so that you won't see maybe ngama pose and stuff. No.
Yazi ngibone status the other day ngathi vuso mnyameni so ngadlula fast.
Oh yeah.
Hey ngathi
bengivusa amagona lapha ayinzi bekunyiyo bekungaka amagona lawa abanye abantu lawa abekufiwa bengeminye imoya obumnyama lapha. Because if I'm giving you something you must be happy. If ngikhuluma ngespirit you must feel the presence.
Hayi ziyathusa lezi zinto.
Awusabona lokuncane.
Ne
ngiyovusa likhamanzela next week.
Khamanzela. So malivusa wenzani nakhona usebenzele ubumnyameni njengalo.
Speaking umuntu wasemathuneni njengisipoko.
Akusabi akuthusi maravela la.
Akuthusi like it's enjoyable. If umsebenzi wakho uyawuthanda it's enjoyable. Even if usumfila umuntu futhi ngathi uyavuka la kodwa uya enjoy it. Yes. 12 ebusuku mina siyajabula sithi yes awukwalunga Nkosi yami asekunjalo futhi njalo. Yes. Siwe sento umsebenzi. Umuntu angafuna info umnikete dawo emfuna ngakhona because abantu labaningi today balambiswe ukuthi bakholelwe kakhulu edlotini. Idloti li right lona but hey asekuthiwe ke alikho kalona ke. Alikho kalona at all. You don't even know ukuthi niyolanza kuphi manje niyalanza niyokhuluma ngabo bani bakabani.
Kuyenzeka ukuthi ngabi khona vele.
Yes, kuyenteka lingabi khona.
Bangoyini lokho ngidliwa loyo.
Yes. Or if vele nini ekhaya nizathi nanokuthi naba kabani. Uma ke wachamuka waba neboyfriend, machamuka ehlala neboyfriend, wanikhulisa, wanyamalala bashona abatali nakhuliswa ama relatives angekho of which they are not even blood. They won't even know ukuthi ngichamuka kuphi.
Angisho khona wena uzongitshela.
Yes, mina vele ngakutshela masilele msami ngithi wena utalwa wabani wakabani. Uchamuka enzaweni leso even online. Or maybe I have proven it most to the most of the people even online. It's happening. Umtshela umuntu because info lebulala abantu. Yabona ukubelievela emoyeni ongayi understand ukuthi hlithi kuphi. It will destroy you. Idloti liphahlele kahle ulikhuphule kahle if une background yalo. But if you do not have a background, ukuthi nasuthi uthakathiwe kanti follow your roots.
Ukuthandazela uNkulunkulu it might be something.
Uthandazela uNkulunkulu. I can't even pray. You can even ask my wife. I can't even pray.
You can't pray.
Meaning mina ngikhuleka imimoya because I know I'm a ritualist. Uma ngikhuleka nemimoya lapha lo ngicela ngaleso sikhathi it will be answered ngidoktola because ngikunikeda lokho okufunako unginikeda lokho engikufunako. Then mangikhuleka uNkulunkulu yes sikhuleke kwentiwa but according to ukuhamba kwesikhathi sabona ukuthi abantu baya brainwashiwa a lot. Mina ngifuna info le econquered ngibonise ubufakazi. Give me the proof. Then I will listen.
Simple as that.
Yes. If uthi wena umbetho uJoseph or uJohn or Johann was the prophet. Okay, then show me his remainings.
I can't show you.
Okay, then why kunama different testaments? I said, where were they hidden? Who wrote them? Where are these stones like talk about info corner? Who is sure what they were written by those people? All these people, there are no remainings.
Yeah, true.
That's true. Where are their remainings? Aswabone. Asinakhuluma ngama statues. Ithambo waliboli, ungalifika ngisho ngathiwa selinjani, you will find it there. They must show us. Because masingaphanye siyogubha basekhaya ekhaya emsamo siyabathola amathambo wabo nabaya masibaphahla sicela kubona siyabathola nabaya mawuphethe isigubhu iritualist uyasibona nasiya uyasikhuleka nasiya, you know what's inside there and you are praising what you know, you are pleasing enfweni wathi ukuthi lo yanyamphakela and ngeke ngilambise. Yabona mina ngifuna ufole ephathekayo,
not ama theorists,
not theorists. Criticize that umuntu uyahlanya lo Jesus is above everything. Okay, show me his home.
I can't, I don't know. Mara mkhulu ngifuna si into kanje sibuyele back ne ke wa mention something like a cave emqolombeni nithini konje ngeSwati? Mgetse. Yeah, Mgetseni. Kwenzakalani Mgetseni? I think I've been there once and a long time ago. I think I was still a kid in a school trip somewhere in Mpumalanga or somewhere na angisakhumbula. But kuna those animals that are there. Normally when you see these movies or television stories or telenovels, yeah, normally what kind of animals do we find there?
Mgetseni, it's either we're a ritualist or we spiritualist. What you will find there abanikati bomgetse mostly babafana abafushane. If it's not abafana abafushane thola ukuthi kube idlodi, maybe umuntu wayithanza ukuya kulo mgetse till agcina esewuvakashela noma seshonile bangakhona ukuthi bamlanze abantu bakhona. Labo bantu labo are there ukuthi basupport le tinfo leti esisuke siticela ngaleso sikhathi leso. It's either siyophakamisa imandla or siyocela imandla. Bona ke they are there spiritually.
Yeah,
they are there spiritually because kunemuntu ongahamba ayokhuleka emgidini uthola ukuthi vele umbethwe info yasentabeni, info temgate like judge lentaba and stuff, uthola ukuthi leyo info invested kuyo anila fike lapha yathi info yakhe bese iyaphumela because uya kwi power le right. Emgedeni nabafuna abafushane kunabantu abashona but beshonela around that place, uthola ukuthi umoya wabo usuhledi khona emgedeni urestile ulinze ukuthi ulandwe abantu bakhona, but uma nifika nina if bayakuthanza lo bantu labo for sure they will give you and for suke uyifuna ngaleso sikhathi because emgedeni asiphendvulwa abantu basemakhaya. Emgedeni asiphendvulwa idloti lasekhaya, siphendvulwa imimoya yakamhlaba. It's either ile ngaphakathi khona or imimoya evested khona emgedeni but not abantu basekhaya. Singakhuleka nabo sibacele bona leyo mimoya can connect us with them, then bona bangaphakathi lapha bese basinikeza le info ke siyifuna because phela angeke ba share i-ownership ngaphakathi lapha. If kukuthi umuntu uyidlotela kubo limnikeza info emgedeni shuthi mangapha amadlozi ahlala emgedeni enibanga kanani abantu abangena emgedeni.
Yes, there's one thing ngizama we understand komgedeni. I think like the way ukhuluma ngakhona it sounds as if like emgedeni kunemimoya eminingi emibi ne right ne.
Yeah, that's true.
So le emibi does it include leza bo satanism and what not?
Not emgedeni.
Not emgedeni.
Mafuna isatanism hambe emkhathini. Yovakashela tiphoke lapha tamakhamanzela. Laba bashona abangala mfana laba bathwitshula bashona ngedinguthi, you will find them there.
Emgedeni uzothola botikulo nje kuphela.
Uthola imoya yabo because phela boni it's their home. Yes, it's their home. Bona baqashe khona abahleti, it's their shelter. Bahleti khona ba protected by those walls. Thina siyafika siyoqela, uma siyoqela thina siniketwe yibo inhlahla. Like when I grew up, there was a place whereby beskipa kuyo clay and betibuya lapha. Like wakhe something in clay, but you feel it like there's someone lokhona la with me. If you are weak, utova kuthiwa ushawe abafana abancane lapha bebeyokhi clay. Yes. Because they own such places. Kubona it's their home.
Yes.
Yes, thina suke siyoqela but kubona it's their home, so yibo abakhona ukusiconnectisa nemimoya yethu because they belong there, they own that place, not amadloti wethu. If we have to connect with our spirit, they are the ones who must alert us ukuthi siconnect nalawo ama spirit, but not ukuthi kufike idloti lasekhaya tofikele emgidini li own ikhaya labo bani ke.
So izizwe enizenzela lapha ngeke njani?
Siyavusa bese sithwebula yona le mimoya leya.
Nifake ebhodleleni.
Sicela amandla wabo lapha. Sicela ningene kula madvoto lawe swavusako la. Sifuna abantu baphile, if kuthi akhe into ophilisa, sifuna abantu baphile. Ngaphane beyikhulumisa le mimoya baphendvuleke abantu bacayekile basenhluphekweni.
Yeah.
Siyanicela madvoto amakhulu asisanga ngempi. Ungayishiya inyama ebovu, ungaphishiya utshwala. Once they are drunk, they can bless you well, but maba sober, they can even beat you up. Mase sikhuluma ngalabo bafushana. They can even beat you up. Kanti mase kunathiwe kumnanzi lapha everyone is enjoying. Info suke uyivusa ngaleso sikhathi ungayivusa successfully because good the spirit lesuke sisafocusing. Ama spirits anathi utshwala ayajabula. So awakho akusiwakho ispirit when it's drunk it becomes more happy. Then ngihleli ngiphikisa abantu athi umuntu kuthiwa umuntu uphuphiswa yisex in.
Okay, bane okay uyiphikisa ngaliphi ba?
Ngiyaphikisa mina kunemithi eba very very powerful and strong when you are using sex because imithi mostly it depends kuma spirits. When your spirit is happy yonke lento fosuke into ngathi isikhathi becomes stronger. If it makes you weak then why kunamagona that needs to join forces.
Okay.
That needs to join forces.
Wait, Mkhulu, I think you lost. I'm lost here.
Okay.
You are saying that spirit ukuthi umuntu okhona uphupha a heavy sex, right? Are you saying that?
No.
Okay.
Nethi utofikula leni umuntu athi isex intimacy ibe weak.
Oh.
Like ngisebenzisa something then for intimacy yami ibe lula ibe weak.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Like kunemithi elinka nesex once wenta isex uphumelele into takho tikhanye kube right nje in your life once wa delay kubhethe simply because mase abantu simbathiswe info letingafani angeke ungitshela ukuthi umuthi if ufake emathambo wawufaka emafutha wawakha nje kahle umuthi wakho angeke lo muthi leyo phakame kakhulu uma usebenzisa then wente isex lo muthi uphakama kakhulu sengasitshela ke mhlambe ngemithi yokufutha ke imithi ebovu or imithi emhlophe on that case ke kabo grade RR vele leyo mithi maybe that can be affected but masikhuluma ngomuntu wangempela umuntu wangempela awu affectwa isex kunalokho anophakama emandla ube more powerful and strong.
Hey mara ngathi upreach ubufebe ke lona.
No, it's not preaching ubufebe nethi sinabantu bethu. So umuntu nomuntu wenta into nomuntu wakhe.
Yeah. Hey.
Yes, I'm not preaching don't get me wrong, I'm not preaching ubufebe.
Yeah.
Nethi umuntu wenta info nomuntu wakhe siphakamisa imizi yethu.
Yeah.
So omunye nomuntu angakwenta ke ngendlela yakhe hence I said even nakule yabo mahosha ukuthi the more abanye abantu belala nabo mahosha eyaba benefita aboko bela suke bekhanze labo makhosha or baba intela din for kubona. Like I said ukuthi ama spirits sexually are very very powerful. If they were not powerful then why mawufaka bona bomahosha limit le bese bathola imali leningi kulaba abantu bethi nawe yakhona ukubenefita as a traditional healer whereas if elala nomuntu umuthi is being affected. I'm just asking.
It's a good question, yes.
Yeah, I'm just asking. Inkinga is lack of knowledge.
Yeah, it is a lack of knowledge.
Kinga it's a lack of knowledge because knowledge is power.
Yeah, it is power.
Knowledge is power.
Eish. Oh, cool.
Yeah, kumatima.
Ngiyicabanga ezile because like ish. Yeah.
Understand ukuthi kunesigubhu esithi kumele ulale nabafati.
Yeah.
In order for me to be happy.
Okay.
Kunemuntu today own a lot of things on a wife yakhe but akahlali ne wife hlale eflatini unegona lakhe ba ona ama contract banama businesses but abalala with their wives balala with abanye abantu nje side.
What is it, an open marriage or relationship or something?
No, it's a marriage but unothola ukuthi akatshelwa ngakade next. Irishwa lalela gona lela lifuna baba sekhaya lale nabantu labaningi maybe a week thola ukuthi babe ubuya nengi weekend ekhaya buya ngi weekend ekhaya simply because he knows ukuthi le nfa ithatha imfuna in.
But the more you age like
you get bored. Yeah, that's why they week faster bese baya invest abantu 13 for cash phela. Because phela ngibulukhu ufibelana nomfati wakho umlandzela thinking.
Every day. How that's too much.
Yeah, it happens.
Every day that's too much.
It happens.
Yeah, but like is this like in most cases ziyasebenza ne?
Uma usivuse kahle.
Yeah.
Just 7.
So abantu abaningi bayakwazi ukuzivusa kahle, especially your fellow colleagues.
Can I mention them?
Okay, yeah.
My fellow colleagues that I know mina ukuthi masikhanza TV or mashine for city center yente. Bafika ngana 5.
Like 5.
Not you said my fellow colleagues, those whom I know, whom I've been with.
Yeah.
Abafika ngana 5. Iculture yokuvusa ngihlupha ebantu. That's why kusamele sivulelane isikole, sifundisane ngokuthi imimoya ivuswa kanjani. Because phela ngawaphatha amathambo, waphatha amakhubalo, waphatha amafutha, waphatha everything. But how do you wake these things up in order to work? That's the issue.
But that's one thing you notice ngayo fellow colleagues is what, no? Each and everyone wants to prove his knowledge or it's correct. You don't want to listen to another person. Good. Oh, okay, I didn't know about this. Teach me about it. Why is it difficult for your fellow colleagues to understand, or I have to learn these things from you or from the other?
Do you know how we must prove this thing? Abantu labathi bona bane TV or baphatha TV or bakhona ukuvusa imimoya. Abahlanganiswa in one place and then bayivusa imimoya practically. Then that's when you will see ukuthi bantu labakhona ukuvusa imimoya abancane kangakanani. Labaningi bayilanza kwabanye abantu seyivusiwe vele by supply, but those who can raise ama spirits are very very rare. Angeke uthi ungenaso spirit esiraise ku and think you can raise spirit. Who will guide you? Who will tell you how to raise this spirit? How will you feel that this spirit has risen up now? Because phela kumele ube nowakho umoya okuhlanyisako nawo ogulako la ukusanganisako. Usebenzise wona ukuthi uconnect nale yamimoya le. Yes, there are those who abakhona kuyivusa but bayivusa ngalendlela abayivusa ngakho but emandla walingana futhi akufani. That's why ngithi mina mangathiwa bayahlanganisiwe abantu in one place thiwe asivuseni kungabikho lo tshela umunye ini umuntu aphathe nje info yakhe. So asivuseni. That's when you will see.
Yes, Mosho son, I remember this conversation I had with someone else. He's telling me ukuthi basho kunotikolo shomunye ungakanani lapha eBenini.
That's a place of spirits. Lapho kuyafiwa. No, like to be honest, yeah, like honest speaking.
Yeah.
If you have a spirit with you, kuba easy to do things because it can connect with other spirits.
Okay.
Kulama countries bantu laba travel ku babuya bengaphethe next. It's simply because they had no spirits guiding them. But kuneswebuya netinfo letingekho because there were no spirits guiding them. Kuthi lenfo lengintala, is it good? Is it correct or wrong? There were no spirits. They were just parcels and packages. There were no spirits guiding them. Yeah, you can talk.
Uyamazi. Mara bonakala ngathi uyamazi ne?
For other people, not for me.
Yeah. Knowledge is knowledge. It's not what you have to say.
For other
you
people, not for me. But they've been there. They've experienced it.
Yeah.
I mean, don't do those kind of things. Yeah. Even in my spirits, I only focus on one side.
Ubukele le show uzombona. Like basho uyathusa lo tikology.
Yeah. But it's yakha.
I know you know more.
No, like I have researched a lot. That's the issue. I have researched a lot. Mina ngikhuluma ngena background information.
Yes.
No, even if I travel.
Did you went to Benini?
Yeah, I went there, but not to the Togoloshe. But I know about the Togoloshe. I know what it does. I know what kind of people it focuses on to.
When's that?
Ask them, they will tell you.
When's
that?
No, but I didn't know, but I just discovered later what man there's this place where Benini, and I keep hearing like all the time, yabon. It's cutting this thing. So now it baba yidayeng ukuthi naye like ugcina seka figure da, yabon. Yeah, so Yeah, and then it became a show.
That means he went there and getting a background information as well.
Yeah, it looks like that.
Like there was no one leading the journey. Yeah, because most of people who are lost get into that side and they experience it. And it's a very, very famous place. Most of the healers go there. Yes, but not as ritualists. Cinema ritualists, we are very, very clever. Because masphuma siyade sifuna nisiyabuya.
So into ngifuna ukuya understand ukuthi vele lapho are they transferring the spirit or are they taking something or what are they doing then?
My belief is that they are taking something away from you. Bangaphi abaye khona lapha kule tokolosha babuya nayo le power invested into them.
I don't know.
Like they can even raise their hands. They can go there but they won't find what is happening there. It's simply because they don't want to think. As a human, think. Angeke ngithi ngitokuniketa info leso. Think. Okay, I'm doing this. That's why ngithi abantu baya brainwashiwa. Mina I'm very, very smart. Yes, they go there because they don't want to think. And mostly if there is no one leading the journey, we'll go into wrong places. Because when I go there, like when I went there, I went with someone who knows the place. And I went to the priest.
Yeah.
Yes, because minimanya bengifuna ama priest because bese ngihamba isipoko sami singijikele. Mina besengingavele ngiphakamisa ikhokhi la. Bese singihlupa and I tried in South Africa, Swaziland, Mozambique to try to find a person that will calm it down, but nobody managed to calm my ghost down. Ngasifaka mina myself. But sakama sangicaka because bese sifuna i-upgrade ukuthi sikhona ukucontrol and it was controlled in Benin by a priest, not a traditional healer, a priest. Umuntu lo afike efaka amajazi lamnyama wathi I'm facing a danger today.
So wasicontrola kanjani ke?
Wangithatha nje wangiguqisa wangicabanga utshwala wafaka umunye umuthi ngafila ngathi ngidizi after lapha kuphinzanga sangihlupha.
That was it.
That was it. Then ngaba khona i-sitting necklace akumele ngiyithathe ngiyinqwaba emzini wami. Ngafika ngayifaka emzini wami. Even not today it's fine. It's working properly. It was working properly. Ayisamature, mature sipoko siyahlupha. That's why you need ama guidelines. When mina by then I had no guidelines. Because umuntu for mina beka sipoko sami umuntu ebengiphila naye futhi.
Okay.
Phela mina sipoko sami akusisipoko ngimane ngasithatha nje ngingasade. No. It's a person ebengicoca naye sahlala naye. Shared ideas ewuphatha umuthi futhi strong and powerful. Hence mina mangihluleka ngisebenzisa sona sipoko sakhe. That's why I said abantu mele babe ne direction in life. Ungadlali bantu tophuma uncamle emavinga amavi they will play with you. They will
dangerous la ngaphandle ne.
It's dangerous. They will play with you. Bantu banamagona more than 20 emsamo. None is working simply because they fail to follow ama spirits la right atoba guide when going outside the country.
Hey, yabona now mkhulu ngeke ngisaba check ngilihleli one these Benin gangs.
Yeah, it's good right corner. It's just that you must be in the right place, not the right people. Then you will get what you want.
All right, I see Val. Asikakhuluma konke lokho bengiplan ukuthi sikhulume conversation yafika like I told you before, you know.
Sorry about that. Sorry.
But khona elinye ilanga I'm sure we will catch up on it.
Yeah, and if ngifisa sengathi next time we can talk about ama spiritual abantu. Bambathwe amaphi ama spirits and how to resolve those matters. Kunabantu abangaphumeleli but abathakathiwe. It's simply because bambethwe ama spirits la wrong. And those things must be dealt with. Kunebantu abumele bathathu bawufakwa emphophomeni, kunebantu kumele bawushoniswa emgedeni. Kunebantu kumele kususwe edini for kubona in order to succeed in life. Kuna abathwasa, khona abaphethe ikhwama but they don't know what to do with all these things simply because they need guidance. So no in spirit sona so kunomuntu ekuthiwa usibani bane ekhaya kini wayephathini for le so. That is what must be done now. Umuntu akhulume ngento ene background information umuntu umtshele ngibona isibongo sakabani uhlangana kuphi nomuntu lo so.
Yazi sizokwenza nina next time asiyenza sizokwenza i-post ukuthi people they should join our live and then we'll do live.
Yeah.
How about that?
Perfect.
Yes.
Ngitobe sesinginoya kahle isibongo sami isizini yachinja nanyalo. Angiboni ukuthi ngathi ngiyonga.
Konakele. All right, ayisayivala.
All right, mkhulu.
Yeah. Thank you so sengikhohle camera mile. Thank you so much for watching. Me and you, we're gonna meet on the next episode. Thank you so much, mkhulu, for coming. Sayivala lezo, me and you, we're gonna meet on the next one.